Hold on.
Guys, back at it with part 3 of this video. We're gonna give it a little bench test. Maybe I'm gonna have to remove the phone from there to give you guys a view, because I didn't put the speaker on it till I have a sofa box here. Yeah, that thing almost damaged my speaker the other day, and an amplifier that I was working on, by putting it on the table and to give you a bench test. Hold on. I'll just make sure this is clean from debris and stuff like that and some crap, you never know. Alright, so let's pour it up and let me see what I'm gonna use to demonstrate. Hold on. Alright guys, so I'll pour up, and I want to see you guys look at the pour button. The power light is gonna be here, supposed to be blue. Alright, so let me go. Yep. Give you guys a little test from now. Alright, look like it pours up really good. See if everything is up and okay. Not this thing. Alright guys. Take the phone off there. Yeah. And use this. Give it a little more volume. So I do that not for you guys to hear that it's playing, you know, because that's the only way, because you know bass don't normally come through like unless you hook it up to a system. Can see it's up and running. Everything is working fine. You guys are view of it from this angle. So you can see. I said I really like this amplifier circuit, but I don't know. I really like it. Scratch off the part which I don't really like, that part over there. But they scratch the number of the product. I don't know why they do that. Like nobody's gonna figure that out. Stupid move from this company that do that. Any company that do that, I hate them for that. Doesn't make sense. Okay guys, so that is it for this repair. CNC Electronics sales and repairs. Let me turn this thing down because it's my wife, so you know. Open the door, ask me, what are you testing? Alright guys, so everything seems to be okay. thing up and running. Oh yes, and this was a successful repair, which it took me longer than I expected, I swear. I didn't see this terminal coming. I should have checked when I see it, you know. So seems like they dropped this amplifier. Yeah, no doubt about it. Something hit it or they dropped it. But this amplifier here get some damage for these speaker terminal to break off. Oh yeah, these are like aluminum. They're not like metal with, you know. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this so it can be firm. Yeah, this here with some, what kind of glue I'm gonna use? I have a PC. Oh, bottle is empty. Okay. So this glue is I use it for speaker. It could glue the foam surround. It's the same quality as this one that was on here. So same exact quality. So I use it. It take a long time to dry though. But that's why I use it, you know. I don't want it to be really tough. I want it to be rubbery, so I'm flexing it just in case. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. And that's it for this repair, guys. CNC Electronics sales and repair, and the color is like gray, but when it dries it's black. Okay guys, so that's it. But hold on guys, let me see these okay, let me see something here. I didn't remember to do this, guys. Hold on a minute. Let's check these output. Just as I figured. Oh my words. D1. Yeah, these output D1, I think these are the IRFP 4227. IRFP 4227, not IRFB. It's IRFP 4227, I think, works for this, if I'm not wrong. And these down here is the, hold on, this is the and this is the power supply ones, and these are the, see if it's the H, yeah, H1, yeah. These you could replace with the IRF 1404. Yeah, no big deal, you know, we're just the same. IRF 1404. Yep, you could use for that to replace, you know. Yep, to replace these down there. So these IRFP 4427, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that works. And these are the 1404, IRF 1404, to replace the power supply MOSFET, output MOSFET. IRF IRFP 4227. Yeah, for the output MOSFET, power supply MOSFET, IRF 1404. Yeah, so you guys, yep, that would be it for this repair, guys. And you know, yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, so yeah, as I see this, I have to repair from it. Don't make sense to take the whole thing apart just for, yeah, like everything here you could do it, and you could even work from here or from right here, because it's really close here. So you know, yeah, I didn't have to take the amplifier apart. So less stress on the amplifier, you know, than to take it apart and then something else might, you know, break or something. I always try avoiding going the distance of taking it apart if I don't have to. I don't do it like, you know, some people like take it apart to make, you know, maybe a longer video or something. I don't know, but I don't know. You can patch it from there, you know, it's no big deal. No big deal. I saw it's a B2. I saw Qubed repair just the other day with the circuit board just like this. It's the same makeup, same Brazilian stuff, same making stuff like that, you know, same kind of circuit board. The 3 fans, I think, that amplifier having. That was a nice video. I like that video. I just by looking at the video I was like, wow, I have to watch this video soon, but I didn't get to watch the video until long after. But it doesn't make any difference. I did watch it. I love those videos. As I say, I really love these circuit board. I don't know, I love them. I love these star ride, like, yeah, I really like this star transformer. I don't know if it's because I used to wrap transformer and I used to take a lot of these apart and stuff like that, but that's not the case. I really love these due to how, you know, they just like put together and stuff like that, and you know, everything, it's really uniform, it's really neat and stuff like that. And but the fact that they scratch out these and they put some code on these like C5 to messed up, you know, the technician who is repairing these stuff, like they want to throw them off, like, you know, for them not to figure out what it is to repair. They don't want you to repair them. No, they don't want you to repair them. They act as if, yeah, but no, they don't want to repair them. They lose money that way. Instead of you buying an amplifier, you repair it. Now they don't like that. But a lot of people don't know that, you know. That's the thing. That's why they a lot of company does that. They, you know, deface the product, so yeah, you don't know what it is. So you wouldn't have time to figure it. Some technician won't have time to figure it out, or some do-it-yourselfers, you know, who would just, you know, do it, who is not really a technician, or would just figure out, oh yeah, that can, yeah, they do that for you not to do it, because they lose money when you repair it. Then yeah, they lose money that way. But some company really don't care. Sometimes it's really hard though for you to buy an amplifier like for $1,000, $500, and then it had a little problem, like even this right here and stuff, they could deface these cap too. Yeah, sometimes they would do that, but that would make no sense. But sometimes it's just a transistor, one of these MOSFET driver IC, you know, come on man, you don't have to, you know, deface it for like to give people a hard time like that, man. Come on, it doesn't make any sense. We're gonna figure it out now. It's, this world is like so, you know, it's just electronic is the thing, you know, electronics is the thing, you know, so everything is electronical, you know, the bank, everything, card, everything, cars now. So when you do stuff like that, it doesn't really make any sense, guys. I'm throwing it out there to you, company. Don't deface your product. It doesn't make a difference. If you want to buy for a lot of customers, please don't do that. People will hate you for that. A lot of customers I know wouldn't buy this, and they told me, they said they wouldn't buy it and for that because of stuff like that they do. Because if they, when they take it to a technician, not a lot of technician here too in Florida do that kind of. I got a lot of these amplifiers a lot of time. Not this exact brand, you know, and stuff like that, but this kind of board where they scratch off this stuff, and you see technician say he can't figure out, he can't find the part and stuff like that. He can't figure out what parts use it, you know, and then. But you know, I go to the drawing board and figure out stuff a lot of different ways from some people. You know, I'm the type of person who will just try one just for it to blow up, just to see, okay, and then I say, okay, that doesn't work there, or test the circuit some way, from a way. If I found one of this that's not blown, I take it out, do the test, buy some, or check around in other amplifier that I have from, you know, take one out and match up the reading, and if it reads, you know, I try it, and if it works, I say okay, you know, stuff like that. A lot of people don't have that time, but you know, you have to use this now. Yeah, a lot of people don't have that time to do that kind of stuff. So alright, so guys, I'm gonna go answer this voice just call. I just call somebody coming in, calling at the wrong time, but you know it goes already. They never call at the right time, always the wrong time. So guys, thank you guys for this, watching this video. I really appreciate your time, guys, and thank you. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and thank you guys for watching CNC Electronics out on this repair. Thank you guys for very much for watching. God bless you.
Everybody, anybody. Hold on.